Hi everyone, I'm Cris Ferreira, ambassador of Cadiveu Professional. I'm here to tell you about a revolutionary line of in-salon nourishing treatment. Folks, today I'm here with Diane, who has curly hair, which is naturally drier, and to meet this demand, I'm going to nourish it with a service called hair lamination with Nutri Glow. The first step is to part the hair into sections, preparing for an organized application and helping the hair to better absorb the product. I'm using a brush to apply it to place the product. And after, I use my hands to spread it, since Diana's hair is curly, to avoid damaging or breaking the hair. I'm going to use my hands to massage it, and so you should follow all throughout the hair, working with small sections really. Folks, this hair lamination treatment can be done in this manner to nourish the strands that are dry. And it can also be done together with the coloring for longer lasting results. What I loved most about the nourishing wax is that it has a blend of oils that work on the inside and outside of the hair. I've finished applying the product section by section. So I'll wait for 20 minutes and then I'll continue with the Nutri Glow treatment. Now I'm going to wash it with the Nutri Glow shampoo, which despite being a clarifying shampoo, it is a shampoo that gently cleanses without making the hair dry, without damaging it, with great respect to the strands. Folks, I've just washed her hair with shampoo, and now I'm going to apply the hair mask, which is very dense. It will nourish the hair and make it 8 times shinier. I'll wait for 5 minutes. Another option to finish the hair lamination is the conditioner. It will also detangle the hair and make it shinier. Now, to finish Diane's lamination service, I'm going to use the leave-in cream, which is the most suitable for her hair type. The leave-in cream will bring definition and anti-freeze action for up to 72 hours. Another amazing benefit of this leave-in is that it provides heat protection. After applying it all over the hair, I'm going to use the diffuser. This was the hair lamination service with the Nutri Glow line from Cadiveu. Diana's curls were nourished, her hair looks so hydrated, and the frizz is under control. I hope you like it. See you next time.